Learning Disability Detector and Classifier System. Many children struggle in school because of learning disabilities, but they often go undiagnosed for years. Professional testing is usually very expensive, hard to find, and takes a long time. Because of this, many students lose confidence and fall behind because they aren't getting the specific kind of help they need. Learning Detector, Learning Disability Detector Pro was created to solve by providing a fast, easy to use digital tool that spots these struggles early. How the system works. The platform is a smart website built using a framework called Django. When a student first signs up, they take a quick screening survey. If a system notices any red flags, it invites them to take more detailed tests. These tests look at 7 different areas, including math, reading, memory, and focus. Instead of feeling like a scary exam, the website uses a child-friendly design with bright colors, emojis, and smooth animations to make experience feel more like a game and less like a chore. Smart detection and results. Behind the scenes, the website acts like a digital detective. It uses a set of rules to grade the test and figure out exactly where a student is struggling. For example, if a student fails a math section but does great at reading, the system identifies a dyslexia risk. It doesn't give just a pass or fail grade. It calculates how much help the student needs and store all this information in a private history so parents and teachers can track progress over time. Personal learning. The most helpful part of systems is what happens after the test. As soon as the struggle is identified, the app automatically finds specific lessons, videos, and practical sessions that match the student's needs. These materials are added to students' personal dashboard instantly. Fun and games. To keep children motivated, the app includes a game zone. Currently, it features a memory math game where kids flip cards to find pairs. While this finds like a fun break, it actually helps train their brain to improve focus and short-term memory. By mixing serious assessments with fun activities, the platform ensures that kids stay engaged and don't feel overwhelmed by the learning process. Looking to the future, in the future, the project aims to become even smarter by using advanced artificial intelligence to predict learning needs even more accurately. The goal is to add special accounts for parents and teachers so that they can report and help the student along the way. Eventually, the creators want to turn this into a mobile app that works into many different languages, making specialized educational help available to every child in the world, regardless of their budget. Thank you.